friends, what's up, what's popping? Welcome back to another video. It's your good friend Kish, and I'm so glad to have you here today. As you can see, I made this creamy, delicious chicken Alfredo pasta. Listen, it was just mouth-watering goodness. I can't explain how good it was, okay? I also just want to say thank you guys so much for 300 plus subscribers. I hope you guys continue to support me. I truly appreciate you all. Don't forget to subscribe to show me some love. If you haven't yet subscribed, talk to me in the comment section. I talk back, like the video, and share it. Now, let's get cooking. First, we start off with our washed and clean chicken breast. And you know, that's the baton for the chicken right there. Just going to pan them up a little bit, get them nice and tender. And then we're going to coat those chicken breasts with some olive oil. And then we're going to sprinkle all our seasonings on that. Whatever seasonings you like to use, as I tell you all the time, you could just put it on your meat. For me, I have some garlic powder, onion powder, adobe powder, Tony's Creole seasoning, thyme leaves, all of that. They are all linked in the description box. And we're just going to rub our meat up real good. And of course, you know the drill. Whatever you do to one side, you do it to the next. Equal love and affection. And now we're just going to pour some oil in the pot, and when it's nice and hot, sizzling, we're going to put our chicken breast pieces in and sear them on both sides. Once it's nice and beautiful like that, you turn them and get the other side done. After which you're going to put them in the oven on about 350 for about 10 minutes, and this should get them all ready. Now we're going to start on our sauce, and we add in that good old butter, some crushed garlic, freshly crushed garlic, and once it's frying up and all fragrant, you're going to add your cream. That's about 2 cups of cream right there, heavy cream. And that's how we're going to be making our Alfredo sauce. We put in some grated Parmesan, freshly grated, that I grated earlier, as you can see. And we're just going to put that in our cream bit by bit, not all the Parmesan at once. And we just give it a good mix every time. And as you can see, the sauce is starting to thicken up and combine nicely. And then to that, we're just going to add some of the seasonings that was left over from seasoning the meat, and we're just going to season up our sauce a bit. Nothing too heavy, but yeah, however you like it, however you like it. If you want it well seasoned, you know, lightly seasoned, whatever, but it shouldn't need too much. And then we're going to go ahead and put in our cooked pasta, that's fettuccine. I didn't show you how to cook pasta. I think we all know. So we're just going to mix that in. And to that, I'm just going to add some freshly chopped parsley. That once again I chopped up earlier. And we're just going to mix that in. That will give it nice color and a bit of flavor. more parsley, and some red pepper flakes for a hint of spice. And next, our chicken is all done. She's looking beautiful, and we're just going to slice that up. So juicy and tender and full of flavor, flavor popping through everywhere. Listen, that was so good. And we're just going to put them on the top like that, and just like that, our chicken Alfredo is ready. And we're just going to plate that creamy goodness on our plate right there. Ooh, here she comes. So beautiful, beautiful piece of chicken. It was delicious, guys. And we're just going to put on top of that a little bit of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. And there you have it. Nice, simple, easy meal for your family, especially for the kids. I think they will love this. Cheese is a bit expensive, but you know, if you can afford to stretch your budget just a little bit, this will be perfect. And as you can see, it's time to eat. It's time to eat the fruits of my labor. It was amazing. It's smashing time. Time to smash. Get me a piece of that chicken. And there you have it, guys. It was so good. I hope you tried. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you reached this far, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down below. Bye. Peace. Love you. God bless.